How to fix login error in Crunchyroll. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet connection issues. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem with your login, you want to simply navigate yourself to the application, swipe up, and you want to scroll down until you see the Crunchyroll application. Tap on hold on to the app and click on app info. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. If you want to delete the files of the application, simply click on clear storage and click on delete. By doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems with your login. However, if there's still any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.